this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 3. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, simply required to register your ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rules and offers are available for this property and various maintenance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can help us by commenting below. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the